My Trading 212 ISA account grew to over £18,500. I decided to show you today my latest additions to this Trading 212 ISA portfolio. One of these companies is up almost 100% since I added it to my Trading 212 portfolio just 2 months ago. Today, I will talk you through 3 stocks which are my smallest positions in my Trading 212 portfolio. I will explain if I want to buy more of these shares to my Trading 212 account. One of these new additions is Cloudflare stock. Its shares appreciated 87% since I added Cloudflare stock to my portfolio. But should you buy Cloudflare stock now? I will make an analysis of Cloudflare stock in this video. So watch this video about my Trading 212 portfolio update. I will also tell you about my Tesla stock in Trading 212 ISA account. And if you enjoy my content, which I share with you, destroy this like button for the YouTube algorithm. This button looks much better when it is blue, not gray. If you do not have your Trading 212 account yet, you can get a free stock worth up to £100, $100 or €100 depending on your account currency and location. Just create a Trading 212 Invest account using this link, and we both get a free share. Check the referral rules. Here is the link. I bought my shares of Cloudflare in September, just 2 months ago. Since then, the price of Cloudflare stock has appreciated 87%. But what was the reason for such a growth of this company? As more businesses migrate to the cloud, Cloudflare will benefit tremendously. Cloudflare provides web security and infrastructure services. The company protects and facilitates operations for more than 27 million websites and applications worldwide. The economy moves online. It means that the threats of cyber attacks increases. Cybercrime is on the rise around the globe, both in frequency and in complexity. In fact, according to a 2018 study conducted by security outfit McAfee, cybercrime costs an estimated $600 billion a year, which is almost 1% of global GDP. Protecting sensitive information and keeping customer data safe and secure are top priorities in today's digital age. A breach in security can lead to lost trust, lost credibility, and ultimately loss of business. Cloudflare has increased its revenue by more than 50% in the last quarter. The current price-to-sales ratio of over 40 indicates that there are high expectations for the growth to continue at a high pace. Again, what I like about this business are very high gross margins. But be aware that this company is still unprofitable. Cloudflare recently launched a new serverless computing service that allows customers to pay for cloud computing based on actual data usage for their applications instead of paying for the allocation of data usage. It should attract businesses as such an approach gives more flexibility. Cloudflare is a trusted partner for businesses which want to secure web traffic. The company is in a very good financial situation. Cloudflare had over $1 billion in cash and short-term investments and $375 million in debt at the end of September. I'm looking closer at this company and I would like to increase my position in Cloudflare stock in my Trading 212 stock portfolio. Fiverr stock is the third smallest position in my portfolio. Not long ago I made a Fiverr stock analysis. I will include a link to this video in the video description. That was the time when I had been adding more shares of Fiverr to my portfolio. Here you can see exactly when I bought my shares. Since then, my shares are up 28% on average. MercadoLibre is an Argentina-based e-commerce and software company. MercadoLibre holds the lead position in its core market of Latin America, and the growth potential is still there. Despite the rising popularity of cashless payment options, Latin America remains mostly a cash-based society. Not many citizens have credit cards or bank accounts. It is not only a popular e-commerce platform in its home region, but it is considered to be a PayPal of Latin America. Its payments system, called Mercado Pago, has grown into an ecosystem that serves both online sites and lately physical stores. That is an essential advantage over Amazon entering this market. MercadoLibre is growing very quickly. Its revenue for the third quarter was $1.1 billion, which was an increase of over 85% year over year. Active users number grew by 92% from a year ago. The number of active users reached 76 million. Gross merchandise volume increased 62% to $5.9 billion, and total payment volume processed by the Mercado Pago subsidiary grew 92% to $14.5 billion. MercadoLibre stock price trades at 21 times trailing sales, which is expensive, but have in mind its very high growth rate. E-commerce still only makes up a mid-single-digit percentage of retail sales as a whole in Central and South America, so its growth is not ending. MercadoLibre stock joined my portfolio during the stock market correction in September. The share price was around $1,000. I have added more shares during the latest price correction. Now my overall position is over 22% up, but I do not plan to sell. I want to increase the share of this company in my portfolio. I've been buying Tesla shares regularly and adding to my portfolio. On this chart you can see split adjusted prices. I bought Tesla shares for the first time during the bottom in March. I've been buying more and more since then. Now Tesla is one of the biggest positions in my portfolio. It is a long-term holding as I expect much more significant gains from this company. As I told you, I want Tesla stock to pay for my Tesla cars in the future, and I am keeping my word about it. Which of these stocks from my Trading 212 portfolio you like to buy and why? Let me know in the comment section below. These three stocks are the smallest positions in my portfolio, but with excellent growth potential. I do not have to repeat my investment thesis about Tesla, but feel free to come back to my other videos about Tesla stock. You are awesome that you watched this video till the end. For more videos related to finance and investing, hit the subscribe button. My Trading 212 portfolio is only a fraction of my whole stock market portfolio of over $400,000, which grew over 50% this year. Thanks to the right selection of stocks, I've been beating the stock market indices regularly. You might be interested in joining my investing community. You will get exclusive access to members-only content. You will learn via our private group, take part in our regular members-only live Q&A webinars, and get access to a library of past webinars. You will know all companies from my entire portfolio of more than $400,000, and also you will be notified straight away when I buy or sell any stock. Thanks to my approach, you can spend a minimal amount of time on investing, and your future self will thank you for this investment. The link is below and in the video description. Have you invested in Tesla stock, or do you wait for a correction? I reply to every comment. Also, remember not to listen to bloggers and vloggers. Always do your research and have conviction while you buy shares of the specific company. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and click the bell to receive a notification about a new video being published. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy investing!